like to see that Meghalaya state should be among the best states in the country if we welcome days to come. One of the best states. And the only way for us to be able to achieve that objective is if we work together, not if we divide ourselves. By dividing, we will only get weaker. But it's sad that there are some political parties who, for the sake of their politics, their political life, their political future, they are willing to risk the future of our state. They are willing to divide our people. They are willing to have separate and division among our tribes. NPP will not work in that line. NPP will not allow that. We are here to unite. As we say, we are stronger together.